Hi, the driving question for this activity is, if energy cannot go away, why don't things keep moving forever? Behind me you see a pendulum. A pendulum is basically any mass attached to an arm that lets it swing freely. I'm going to swing this pendulum. Please watch till the end of the video, and then you'll use your observations to answer questions 1 and 2 on Concord. You might notice that the pendulum seems to be swinging a little bit less farther now than it was when I started it. And now you can definitely see that it's swinging less. And now it's basically come to a stop. Use your observations and what you know about energy, specifically kinetic energy, to answer questions 1 and 2.